and we say happy birthday to you. Reach your achievement, the keys on your hand, and you can open a road. Happy birthday to you, and be better person. There is a glass and we celebrate the day.
Hello, Ma'am Donna. Ako nga palang lambi ng buhay mo. Happy birthday! Ingat ka yan. At God bless. Miss you na daw. Sabi ni Papa, baby. Alam mo na kung sino yun.
Hello po, Donna. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Ate Donna. I miss you so much. And happy ka na ba? Gusto mo bang i-post ko na? Charis. Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo. And I miss you so much talaga. Pero walang magagawa. Andiyan kayo na. So, happy birthday ulit. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Basta, I miss you so much and happy birthday na lang. And God bless. More birthdays to come. And miss ka na daw ni Papa P. Charis. Basta, happy birthday. Yun lang. Thank you. I miss you and always take care. And more upam to come. Thank you. Bye-bye. I miss you so much.
Go! Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Donna! Ingat ka dyan sa Canada!
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you.
Ikaw lang sapat na.
Okay daw. Hey!
Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy